Now that you've entered an equation, let's try solving it. To start solving, deselect the Edit button above the expression. Here's where the magic begins. Simply touch any variable or number and drag it around the expression. The lights that pop up represent algebraic moves to rearrange the expression. Dropping the variable or number anywhere close to a light will rearrange the expression in a mathematically correct way. The undo and redo buttons are important tools to let you explore new ways of solving equations. Simply tap the undo button to go back to the previous step and try something new. To swap the left and right hand sides of an equation, simply tap and hold the equal sign. If you ever need to edit an equation, tap around the expression to reveal the expression buttons and tap on the Edit button. With Figure, you can't make a mistake, and equations become alive. Figure is math for the right side of your brain, so go ahead and start dragging and dropping to creatively explore the art of solving equations.